Flight Sergeant Squires. If you're wondering why I'm in my uniform, I had to film a drill sequence for drill team. But enough about that. Today we are making caramel chocolate brownies. So come a little closer and look at our ingredients. So to start off this delicious recipe, we have half a cup of butter. And to that half a cup of butter, we're gonna add a cup and a half of sugar. Sorry, that's melted butter, by the way. And then we're gonna add 2 eggs. And we're gonna mix that up. We're gonna mix the 2 eggs with our sugar and our butter. Get it nice and mixed in there. Okay. Okay, that seems pretty good and well and mixed there. And to that, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Sorry, I just had to read the label there. 2 teaspoons, that is. Oops. A little extra never hurt nobody. And then we are going to add sorry, I need reading glasses, half a teaspoon of salt. I don't know why I'm shaking. It's because this recipe is so yummy. And then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of espresso, sorry. Look how yummy that is. 1 whole tablespoon of espresso. And then, once again, mix this yumminess up. So good. Sorry, we have another chef in the kitchen tonight. My father cooking up some burgers. Oh, look how yummy that looks. And you want to mix it till it's nice and smooth, which it looks like it's just about there. Okay, so next thing you're going to need is a sifter, a sift, as some call it. We're going to put that in there. And to that, you're going to add 3/4 of a cup of, this is red cocoa powder. Yummy, yummy. We're going to add that in. And don't even worry, we have a friendly helping hand, my mom on the other side sifting that for me. And then, oh, looks like there was something in the flour. Oh, there is. And this is a cup of flour. In it goes. We love mixing, so don't even worry. You can sift them together. No worry about it, but you want to sift it so that your powders are nice and smooth going into the brownie mix. This may take a while, but see, that's why we sift, because see all those chunks there? We don't want those to get the rest of the mix chunky. We want a nice smooth mix. Although we love chunks, but just not for this recipe. And we want to get all the cocoa in there, so I'm just pressing it through to make sure all the chunks get out. Okay, awesome. Now that we've sifted our flour and our cocoa, we're going to not mix, but we're going to fold that in. So you want to do a nice roundabout your bowl and just, fold it in. We're not mixing, we're folding. Yummy. This can take a while, but the reason why we're folding is because we're not only folding the mixture in, but we're folding nice pockets of air, which gives a nice fluffy brownie mix for us. Oh my goodness. And another tip, you can use regular Hershey's cocoa or whatever you want to use, but red cocoa gives a nice, I would say almost like a rich dark chocolate flavor. See, look how rich and dark that chocolate is. So yummy. We're almost there. We still have a couple more lumps. But again, sifting our flour and our cocoa in is totally okay because it takes out the lumps, but it's okay to have a couple lumps in our actual mix. Okay, that looks just about ready. And remember, a couple lumps are a-okay. So we have this pre-greased, I think this is 8x8 brownie tin with us. I think it was just Pam that we sprayed in there. But we have lots of brownie mix, but we're only going to add half of the brownie mix in because we have a special treat that's going to go inside. So I'd say that's just about half. Yep. And once we get half in there, doesn't look like a lot, but it will be. We're just going to spread that out evenly to the sides. We want to make sure we're getting it all the way out to the edges. Because who doesn't love an edge brownie? This can take a little bit of time, but that's okay. Perfection is key. Okay. I think that just about does it. Now follow me. Okay, so earlier we made some homemade caramel. Oh, look at that creaminess. And this was just cream, butter, and sugar. It's really easy. You just add it all together and heat it up until it's ready. So we pre-made it so that it was nice and cooled down for to put into our brownie mix. We have a little bowl. Sorry, this bowl is for later. We're gonna use this one right now. Okay, so with this lovely caramel, all we're gonna do is pour. I would pour in the middle, but I'm actually gonna start at the edges and just pour that all in. Okay, oh my goodness, it smells so good. I just could eat it right here. We're gonna spread it. We're gonna spread it all the way out to the corners. Trying to just cover this whole thing because it's like the caramel's in the middle, you know, so just, yeah. Spread. Look here. Oh, and did I forget to mention? We preheated our oven to 325. Again, that's 325. Okay, now come back over here. Don't leave me just yet. And with our remaining brownie batter, we're going to put this on top of the caramel, trying to cover up this caramel middle. And my trick that I see so many chefs do is they do a little pat. This is not only gonna take the bubbles out, but it'll flatten out your batter. We're gonna put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Okay, we're gonna start that timer, and when we come back, I'll show you the completed brownie. Okay, and here we have our brownies bubbling and cooking in the oven. And they are just about done in that video clip. And in the next clip, you'll see us prepare the finished dessert. Okay, we're back and we've gotten the caramel chocolate brownie out of the oven. And we've taken a piece and put it into our bowl. And we just have our ice cream scoop soaking in some hot water. So it's nice to take out our Ben & Jerry's ice cream, which we're gonna top this with. We're gonna go in for a nice big scoop with my strong muscles. Okay, we're gonna take that and we're gonna put our caramel ice cream on top. And then we have some of that caramel sauce left over. We're gonna take that and drizzle it on top. And that's all, folks. That is Flight Surgeon Squire's chocolate caramel brownie recipe topped with caramel ice cream and a caramel drizzle. Let's try a little. So delicious. It's really hot, sorry. Yummy. Have a good night, folks.